Today we are going to be making pretend snow. You will only need two simple ingredients for this experiment: baking soda and hair conditioner. White works best. The science word for today is endothermic. This is a chemical reaction that happens when heat is absorbed. First, you pour your baking soda into a large bowl. Next, we added hair conditioner. You will need half a cup of hair conditioner for every 2 cups of baking soda. Then, you mix the baking soda and conditioner until you form a soft, snow-like substance that you can shape and play with. During the mixing process, you will begin to feel the snow-like substance cold to the touch. This is the endothermic chemical reaction.
I'm getting some satire. Mommy, satire. Whoa, what about that satire? Get more? I'm doing that. More satire isn't here. Let's make it. Swim. Mix it. Mix my hands. Mix it. You got a match?